Are you ready for a challenge? A growing food is easy challenge. Today on Wild Florida, we're doing week 2 check-in. Hey everyone, it's me, Jacqueline the Wild Floridian. Today we're doing our week 2 check-in. So how is everything going? Did you join? Did you get other people to join? Are you spreading it so everyone wants to grow their food? Well, I bet some of you have, because there's been such a positive response yet again. So many people are liking, loving, and getting excited about growing food this year. So let's talk about what's been going on. So some of you guys have been asking, where do you get started? And you may have checked out the sweet potato is easy video, but you're looking for something maybe a little simpler. So Monty Knits, who has tried to go and grow some food this last year, and she wasn't very successful, I was recommending to her start with green onions. And you know how easy green onions are? She didn't even remember that she'd started them 3 weeks ago. That's how easy it is. And she's already getting some success. And she's put herself for 5 pounds this year. Way to go, Monty Knits. So green onions, which I'm gonna be making a video about later this month, is a great place to start. You can also start seeds inside. That's also a good one, because I know all of you are not in the state of Florida. Catherine the Fourth, who recently subscribed, thank you, Catherine. She has her own YouTube channel, so go ahead and check it out. She is in an area where, well, I know in her video, she was walking and it was -6 degrees. I mean, bless her heart for going out and being out in nature, even when it was just arctically cold. So thank you for subscribing. And also, I mean, if you want to get going with food scraps or start seeds inside. It may be a little early if you're at -6 degrees right now for those people, but in the southern portions of the United States, this is a great time to start getting your little seeds going. And you can use things like your green peppers, tomato plants. Those are all viable options right now. So just a quick check-in for me. I have not got any more food. I've got a rack of bananas, which I will be going and getting this week, so I'll report out on next week, because I didn't have time before I made this video. But what I did have time to do, so if you remember last week, Moss Redrum actually suggested turmeric. So I asked my husband, who so nicely, he went and bought me some turmeric so I can get that going. Also, we had made some gingerbread cookies over the holidays, and my husband, being awesome again, is he wanted to use fresh ginger. So we had some fresh ginger root left over. So I've gone and stuck that in the pot. And you know what? If I screwed it up, oh well. But at least I'm trying something new. So I'm very excited for that. So there's been such a positive response across the board on the YouTube channel itself, plus all the Facebook groups that I post to, from the Eat It, Grow It, to the Florida Permaculture groups, Florida Homesteading groups, St. Pete Plant Society. Such positive response. So I really appreciate people liking and commenting and sharing the news around. So here's what some of you guys had to say. So Shelby Redfield Kilgore, who also has subscribed, and she has her own channel. She does a channel on adoption. So check that out. She went and she got over $30 worth of lemons from her lemon tree and was able to go make lemonade with her mom. So way to go, Shelby. Brianne Stevens, she started in 2019 and got her first 75 pounds, and she's looking to go and get another 150 pounds. And she's well on her way, because she's already got 2 racks of bananas already ready to go. So she's gonna just be dominating this year with her growing. And if you read her comment, I mean, she's just got a ton of plants she's gonna go on with, like cassava and avocados. So I know she's just gonna get to that goal of 150 pounds. So you go, girl, Brianne, you keep it up. So next is Dorothy Ranch. She posted over on the Facebook pages, and she is just doing an awesome job. She had some tough starts in the beginning. She had a lot of failures in the beginning, and I share that for you guys because sometimes it doesn't go well the first time around. She went and bought some organic produce starting in October of 2019 and is already getting her first crop, and it's January, right? She's dominating on tomatoes. She's dominating on peppers. Her favorites are poblanos, and she's gonna be checking back in 3 to 4 weeks, because she's got a lot of flowers, which means there's more veggies on the way. So you're doing an awesome job, Dorothy. You keep it up. And then there's just a ton, and I just gotta share this because there was so much love coming from you guys and likes, and I really do appreciate it. So Lucky Phil, thank you. We also had I'm gonna have to read this one because it was longer. Recipes for Reciprocity, so really appreciate it. The Florida Food Forest Group, really sharing some love. There were so many people. Emily, Hillary, Jason, thank you so much. And then Percy Shalou gave lots of love for the challenge and the whole idea and was feeling motivated. So I really appreciate you guys commenting, and I'm so excited for all these people who are just getting going, doing the challenge, sharing it with others, people who are starting for the first time. So you guys are doing awesome. Keep it up. If you haven't started it, it's not too late. I mean, we're in week 2. You've got so much time to get going. So remember, just start with one little step. If you're wanting to continue this challenge, or you just want to go along for the journey, go ahead, like, then subscribe, ring that bell for the notification so that you get notified when the next video comes out next Tuesday. And also share with others. Keep spreading this around. The more people who are growing, the better it is for our state. And hey, even if you don't live here, it's better for where you live too. All right, I'm Jacqueline, the Wild Floridian. I'll see you next week. Bye.